We're live. Mykola, how are you?
Hey, Tim. Doing great, doing great. How are you, mate?
Good, good. Look, today we have to show something very cool, and I know already a little bit about what you have in your mind. So let me just give it a try. Ladies
Mm-hmm.
and gentlemen, today we're going to cover how you can use Smart Match to set up very selected access to your VIP clients or to your sponsors or to any other special cases in any industry from business. Maybe it's investor who wants to invest in startups and you have a list of very qualified, very specifically selected startups for one particular investor, or for VIP client if you're in the dating industry, a list of very specific matches. So we're going to show you how you can use member portal directory to make it a matchmaking, very selected VIP access, or very specific mission critical access for your clients. Did
Yeah,
I get it
Tim.
right?
You get it absolutely right.
Okay, floor is yours.
Yeah, you didn't ask this question, bro, but I will do it. Like, Mykola, do you have a new t-shirt for us today? No, I do not have a new one to share since I'm too busy servicing our clients, and I just had no chance to find something interesting for today. That's
I
it.
was gonna say it. I didn't forget it. I didn't forget it. I always like to see your t-shirts, but if you don't have one to show, please do us a favor. Next time,
Yep,
can
I
you?
will do my best. I will do my best. Okay, so let's go to the workflow. Let me share my screen. 1 second. Entire screen. So, how it actually works. First of all, I will cover member directory in a second part of the conversation. But you can prepare a list of good potential matches for your VIP client. Like Tim said, it could be a dating case, it could be a list of potential of a good startups. And then you can run a search, find these startups, and
Or
then
maybe,
just
or maybe job candidates. Imagine this, guys.
whatever,
If
whatever.
you're matching people for jobs, right, and you have a recruiter, if you have a company and you want to give access to a company HR manager,
Mm-hmm.
to look at the candidates that you pre-selected in one directory,
Mm-hmm.
think of all kinds of cases like that, right? There's no limit to imagination or to your business case.
Yep, that's true. So what I did, a little bit of humor here. Lady selected for me.
For you,
Uh, yep.
oh, you're not shy. Okay, cool.
Oh, I am a presenter here. I can afford it.
Okay,
So,
so you have a lady selected for Mykola. Mykola is a VIP customer.
yep. So based on some criteria, doesn't matter. Like as a matchmaker, you know me. I am your VIP clients. You've had a few interviews with me, so you know what I would like. Most definitely. Then you assign this list to a few clients in your database. That's a step number one, actually. A next step in a member portal. In this case, we have only one plan here, but what you can do, you can create a unique plan for me. I will just duplicate this existing plan, and this one will be private.
It could be also just a plan for all your paid clients or
Yeah.
all your platinum clients. People who pay certain amount of money, or maybe a plan for free members. So that you can provide some value to your free
Mm-hmm.
database members to
Mm-hmm.
convert them to paid database members.
Yeah, true. But in this particular case, now let's say, I don't think I have my account here. So let's just assume this is the guy. So you create
Okay.
an access, or he has no access. So let's find somebody who has access to the system already. Let's say David. He has access. No, let's create an access then. Okay. You create an access, you have a beautiful template here instead of our basic one. Now the access is created and you assigned this client to this specific plan designed for him. So the benefit here is you can add some additional benefits or remove some features based on the plan. So I have this unique plan. Let's say I paid, I don't know, a lot of money to be able to access your database. And now, since this plan is assigned to me, I have these features. I don't think we have a lot of time to cover all potentials, but just one. Let's say one. Limit of connection requests. I can select this limit. Where is it? My God, connection request.
Hi.
Connection preferences, connection request limit. Let's say 5 per month. I can send more than 5. So I should be really picky when I will log in and will browse a directory.
That's a great feature right there, by the way. So you can limit the number of connections for clients on a monthly basis. It's a great feature.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's more things you can do, but okay. So
yeah, that's just one example. Another client who will pay, let's say, more can have a limit of 50.
And there you go. You can actually have several different plans. One with 5, one with 10, one with 50. So you can have more for more money.
Yep. Or just unlimited. If you will not add anything here, unlimited number of requests. So now to the settings.
The way you start those videos, you just kind of go into the under the hood more. Like it's really for geeks, people who want to like the technicality of how to do it.
Yeah,
but great. That's unique about you. Fine.
Yeah,
fine.
That's about me. Why do we need a unique plan for me specifically? Why I created this plan? Because now in the member directory, I can set a filter here, and in the directory, we will only show these ladies who have a list, ladies selected for Mykola. Here, we will not show anybody else when these records will log into the system. That was all this preparation with a separate plan with this list and so on was to use this list as a condition, as a filter for a member when he or she will log in. So now, if I will log in here, I have...
That's the beauty of it, right? So your member portal, if you're using it already, you can turn on and turn off portions of the member portal. So in this scenario, you have on a dashboard, you have a directory, but no other things. Well, you have connections and feed. That's it.
Yeah, connections will stay here because we need connections for this particular case.
But you can turn off the feed. It's just an example. Like these are blocks you can remove and add.
That's it. And now you remember I had 6 ladies assigned to a list selected for Mykola. I only can see these 6 ladies when I log in. I cannot see anybody else, so they are pre-selected for me. Within this list, I can run a simple search. Okay, let's say relationship status and never married. And all of them are actually. And then we do not show a name, even a first name.
Well, you know what? One thing about this is that, can you go back for a second? And I know it's customizable, but look how small the pictures are. So at least for me, it's hard to read here.
Potentially, we can consider.
You know how we have the list on a customer side, like when you can go like larger.
Change the view.
Change the view should probably for directory at least we can easily do views. Change the view.
Yeah. Well, let's make an old team. It's a good.
Or ladies and gentlemen, if you don't, we can completely customize the member portal front end for you. You can literally make it even swiping as an
Yep.
app on a phone, and it will be connected in the backend to our Smart Match. So it's going to be an extension of your backend Smart Match database, and on the front end, any way, any design that you want. Could be swiping, could be large photos, anything that you can
Yep.
imagine. Modern customizable front end.
Yeah, you can have a login on your website, and instead of logging into SmartMatchApp member portal, your clients can log into your own application. We can help to
On the
build it.
website or on downloaded from
Yep,
the
or
app,
downloaded
app
application. Yeah.
store. Yeah, and then just go right into the directory.
Mm-hmm. And that's it. You have a list of clients. I can run a search here within this list. I can click this connect button, but since all these ladies, they do not have access to the platform, this connect button will work on a backend with a few automations I have already created. So I will log out now. I will
Oh,
log
that's
in.
okay. So the point is that am I wrong? The point is that two people can connect.
Yep.
And chat.
Connect and chat. No chatting, mate. The whole idea here is to make it semi manual. Help matchmakers to find the best possible
matchmaker will
match.
get notification that they are connected.
Yes, it's not about like allow them to start chatting.
So you're using connect button here to notify matchmakers that two people connected, mutually connected, obviously.
Not mutually, it is one-way connection. Another record has no access. Sophia has no access to the platform. She's just a database member in this account.
Wow, so flexible. So you can do that, but I imagine that you can also make them connect and talk.
Yeah, that's another approach. Definitely.
You can do that. You can also do like instead of connecting, just like each other. Then you can have a trigger. There's that workflow, like, mutual like, then matchmaker gets notification, correct?
Yep. A lot of different options. But as far as I know, the dating matchmaking world, most definitely this approach will be the best. Because dating matchmakers want to keep everything in control. And with this approach...
not only, man. The thing is, when it comes to matchmaking, for example, investor and startups, do you think they have a lot of time to chat with hundreds of startups? So matchmaking is a valuable, high quality service which saves our clients time. Whether you're an investor, whether you're a sponsor, whether you're a job recruiter, whether you are like in the other conversation the other day with a community of women in business, entrepreneur. It's just matchmaking. It saves time and provides you selected introduction. So flexibility here, of course, but mainly is the bespoke introduction. That's what it is, right?
Yep. So, and as a result here, as soon as David or me pressed connect button, SmartMatchApp created a match in a specific group. That's why I have created this VIP match requested. And if you press this button on another profile, we will create another match here. And every time this match is created in this group, we send a notification to a user who is assigned to this VIP client or to a selected specific user in your agency. And okay, David wants to be connected with Sophia. Now you can additionally check match details between them to realize if it's a good match or not, or do whatever you do generally. But David, first of all, David has access. He can check this list of potential matches. He will be then more like interested in your services and to stay with you as a paid client, because he will see, okay, they have like 100 of potentially great matches for me. And again, we are not talking
And he can
Only,
only see like limited
yeah, yeah.
5 per month. So you can do this for your even free database members or for your potential clients as well. So you can
Mm-hmm,
just show potential matches, remove all the names, and
mm-hmm,
make them actually engage with your database with you,
mm-hmm.
but without actually connecting directly with your clients, but just triggering the introductions, triggering the requests. I can see it as a not only now that I can see it, it's such a adaptable tool, not only for
Mm-hmm.
VIP, but even for potential clients. Just
Yeah,
someone
yeah,
who
yeah,
you can say, look, oh, you're not ready to pay for matchmaking service. We will give you access to database to view,
yeah.
members.
You can view, but you can send connection requests.
You cannot send connection. If you
That's
start
it.
paying, if you pay, then you can send connection requests
Mm-hmm,
and start.
mm-hmm.
By the way, talk to everyone about another option, please. Option like, what if you want to reach to a matchmaker from the portal? You can have a button there to reach to
Yeah,
matchmaker.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely. In the member portal settings, we can, and it's enabled here. We can
Support
enable.
button right there, right? So you
Mm-hmm,
can have a support button while they're checking the database directory. They can
mm-hmm.
reach out to matchmakers for any questions
Yep,
to
yep. Just start a chat. You will have a chat as a agency user. You will have a
yeah,
chat message here from a member, and it could be like, okay, I am so interested to be connected with a member whose ID is, I don't know, 55,
yeah.
and you can check it. So again, it's semi-automated, semi-manual approach, and
Could
it's a
be
time
completely
saver.
automated.
Could
Could
be,
be
could be, definitely. Mm, because a lot of options are available with
right.
member portal, and engaging, allow your clients to engage with the database.
Like everything else in life, ladies and gentlemen, the tool is not just about the tool, but how you use it. And
Mm-hmm,
if you are in doubt, reach out to Mykola. He will
mm-hmm.
do a discovery session with you about your unique challenge, your unique case in any industry, and see how you can use member portal, member directory, member events, anything. Also, Mykola, last point, which I think is super important. Can you please show how it is very easy to update the list and how then literally automatically it updates the
Yeah,
directory? Right? So
yeah,
I think it's very important point because maybe everyone thinks, okay, I have created a list of 5 clients, but how does it get updated? So let's look at the list that you created for
yeah.
yourself,
We
Nicole.
can dive even deeper and deeper with the workflow. I have used this list, ladies selected for Mykola.
So see, guys, like ladies selected for Mykola, right? But this is not limited to 5. Let's say
No,
tomorrow.
no, no.
Let's say tomorrow, you
Mm-hmm,
have a new client, a new lady.
mm-hmm.
Can you just show how easy it is to add her to this list?
Give me 1 second. I have something with unselect. So let's say Jane is a new one. You checked her profile. She's a great candidate. Here you just add her to a list. Ladies
That's all
selected
you
for
gotta
me.
do.
That's all
Yeah.
you're gonna do. And team, thank you for this idea. Also through automation, as soon as we create a connection, as we create this match, we can automatically remove a list and hide this lady from the list of potential matches in the directory. So there are a lot of potentials, a lot of
Oh,
options.
yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah.
So
So
no
it's
need to
like,
keep this list endless in a directory. As soon as request was sent and you do this introduction, we can remove this list and hide
well,
this.
it's like completely flexible in the back end and in the front end. We talked about the
Mhm,
ability to customize the view. And what I meant by custom, like making pictures larger. So imagine if you're in a directory, but you would have this view with a lot, yeah, like this view is a lot larger, or this view in a directory please make a note in the product channel. I think for
Mm-hmm.
if you are actually, and I think you are succeeding at getting our clients to use directory, right? So
Mm-hmm.
maybe that view is just no brainer to me.
Yep,
But you
yep,
can
yep.
see, and also, am I wrong when people use forms and sign up forms, right? There is a probably trigger to put a certain, in certain cases, to trigger people to go to a certain list directly from the form. There is no, then there is really no manual.
Yeah, it can. We can cover it through automation.
Let's say somebody submits the form
Okay, let's
and
just play around. Client submitted. I Team, I have to prepare it because I don't
yeah, yeah,
know if
makes
I
sense.
will fail or I will succeed with this automation now.
But conceptually, to finish
Mm-hmm.
up for today, imagine this scenario again, high level conceptually. Somebody submits the profile on the website, and on that profile, some fields are completed. Let's say age or location or some other criteria. Can we, as a condition, add them to a list?
Yep.
So that's it.
So let's use this list
No,
lady
no,
selected.
high level.
I know I will succeed, team. Now I know it. So, and now under conditions, I have, first of all, gender, female, next one, age, or relationship
Ethnicity, let's say,
status, never
or yeah.
married. Then, where is my age?
Well, everyone gets the idea, man. It's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah. And then
You can
when
also,
profile is submitted, system will check if this profile meets this condition. If yes, we will automatically add this list to the profile.
imagine that. Wonderful life. So then it goes right on the directory for Mykola. Mykola is a
Yep,
VIP client. He gets his daily 5 matches. And you only have to look at the triggers when there is a match, and then you can send the introduction. Even the introduction that you will send can be automated,
it can
or
be.
if you prefer to view it manually, it could be
Yeah.
also
And
manual.
team, we also send these notifications automatically. As soon as this match is created in this specific group, a user who is assigned to this client or a specific user in the agency can be notified. So no need to check them every day. As soon as this match will be created, SmartMatchApp will send this notification.
And you go to
Sorry.
the matching group just to show everyone what he means. So if you're
So
in a client's profile,
let's go back to
so
David.
let's say this here, it goes Sophia, just I'll land it in the VIP match request
Mm-hmm.
group. You get
And
notification.
SmartMatchApp has sent a notification to me
Hey,
that
here we go.
yep,
Here
and
we go.
it's a basic setup. It can be adjusted to look
You will
better.
not forget. You will, this way you don't forget to when to
Mm-hmm.
match people. You will be proactive, and if you want to go next level, this introduction can be sent.
Mm-hmm.
And what you can do is you can get notification saying introduction has been sent, and you just can follow up.
Yep. And by the way, Tim, I think we can announce it. A new update is coming for member portal users and member introductions add-on users. We will change the way how the feedback looks like, and going forward, instead of just a simple button interested, not interested, it will be possible to create a unique survey, link it to this introduction, and then with the member introductions add-on, you can ask a few questions, not only one question, like, are you interested or not? But you can link this survey and have an ability for your members to answer a few questions about this match. And
how
it
did
will be even more flexible then in terms of a setup.
how the date went and what you would
Yep.
like to see the
Yep.
next day. And from what I know, interviewing our clients, that the feedback from the matches, from the dates, from the meetings, is crucial to improve and make a next match better. So,
Mm-hmm.
and imagine this could be eventually fed into the AI assistant, and this feedback can improve the AI assistant as well. So we're going eventually there. It's not there yet, but we are working on that as well.
Mhm.
But that's a whole other conversation.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right,
yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, even though Mykola did not have an amazing T-shirt today, we will we will forgive him for that, but because he did an amazing presentation today. I mean, I think there's so much features and functionality just in today that you can save hours of your time.
Yep.
Again, Mykola can be reached by email or on our website, Mykola at SmartMatchApp. Actually, Nikolai at
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
SmartMatchApp.com. That's email address, and
Mhm.
you can dive into this with him. But next time, Mykola, please, we want to see some
Uh,
amazing.
okay, Tim. I want to have one day off to go to a shop. If you
Oh,
allow me to, then
oh,
no
oh,
problems.
he put me on the spot. He's too quick. He's too quick. A whole day to search for a T-shirt. Okay, okay. That's a price to pay. Let's see what our clients say. Do they want you to be off the whole day or not? We'll see.
I don't think so. I
You
don't
don't
think
think-
so. I have a lot of emails and have a lot of meetings
Yeah,
every day.
I know
So
you're doing an amazing job. Your clients love you, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today, and we will see you in the next episode.
yep.
It's for Smart Matchup Geeks, really. It's becoming Smart Matchup Geeks kind of episode. All right. Thanks.
Yes, Tim, and that's the direction I want to go because everybody considers Smart Matchup just like a database, but it's not. It's not actually. The word "smart" there. It's not a coincidence. It's a smart platform, and you can use it smart, and that's why we try to show the smart ways to use a
Where
platform.
it's a platform. It's a matchmaking platform, completely customizable from front end, back end, and in terms of workflows, visual, everything is possible
Mm-hmm.
nowadays.
Yep.
And we're obsessing about it every day. So we give you the best we can. Yeah, it's true. It can be used in so many ways. So it's
Mm-hmm.
exciting, actually. We live
Yep.
in exciting times. Thanks, Mykola, again.
My
Thanks,
pleasure.
everybody. See you next
Have a
week.
great day. Hey. Bye bye.